Hello everybody again. So, this time we're doing Unit 1.2, Multiples and Factors. You can think of the multiples of the number as the times tables for that number. For example, the multiples of 3 are 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, and so on. Multiples. A multiple of a number is found when you multiply that number by a positive integer. The first multiple of any number is the number itself, or the number multiplied by 1. Page 12. Work example 1. What are the first three multiples of 12? Is 300 a multiple of 12? So, first three multiples of 12 are 12, 24, and 36. To find these, multiply 12 by 1, 2, and 3. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. And 12 times 3 is 36. Is 300 a multiple of 12? Yes, 300 is a multiple of 12. To find out, divide 300 by 12. If it goes exactly, then 300 is a multiple of 12. So, as we can see, 300 divided by 12 equals 25. List the first 5 multiples of 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, and 100. So, for all of these questions, pause up the video and write your answers in the comments. So, you finished question 1 and wrote your answers in the comments? Good. Now, question number 2. Use a calculator to find and list the first 10 multiples of 29, 44, 75, 114, 299, 350, 1,012, and 9,123. Those are big numbers. Again, pause the video and write down your answers in the comment section below. Now, question 3. List multiples of 4 between 29 and 53. The multiples of 50 less than 400. The multiples of 100 between 4,000 and 5,000. Here are 5 numbers: 576, 396, 354, 792, and 1,164. Which of these are multiples of 12? Question number 5. Which of the following numbers are not multiples of 27? 324, 783, 816, 837, and 1,106. The lowest common multiple, or LCM for short. The lowest common multiple of 2 or more numbers is the smallest number as a multiple of all the given numbers. Find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 7. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32. And multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42. And 28 is the first number to appear in both the multiples of 4 and 7. So the answer the lowest common multiple is 28. So, it's your turn to try. Again, write your answers in the comments. Find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5, 8 and 10, 6 and 4, 3 and 9, 35 and 55, 6 and 11, 2, 4 and 8, 4, 5 and 6, 6, 12 and 6, 8 and 9, 1, 3 and 7, 4, 5 and 8, and finally 3, 4 and 18. Is it possible to find the highest common multiple of 2 or more numbers? Give a reason for your answer. Factors. A factor is a number that divides exactly into another number with no remainder. For example, 2 is a factor of 16 because it goes into 16 exactly 8 times. 1 is a factor of every number. The largest factor of any number is the number itself. Find the factors of 12, 15, and 110. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Find pairs of numbers that multiply to give 12. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Write the factors in numerical order. So the factors of 25 are 1, 5, and 25. 1 times 25 and 5 times 5. Do not repeat the 5. The factors of 110 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 11, 22, 55, and 110. That's a lot of factors. So 110 is 1 times 110, 2 times 55, 5 times 22, and 10 times 11. List all the factors of 4, 5, 8, 11, 18, 12, 35, 40, 57, 90, 100, 132, 160, 153, 360. Which number in each set is not a factor of the given number? So which number in this set with 1, 2, 4, 7, and 14 is not a factor of 14? And now, what about now? Which number in the set 1, 3, 5, 15, and 45 is not a factor of 15? How about C, 21? So, which number in the set of 1, 3, 7, 14, and 21 is not a factor of 21? And which number in the set 1, 3, 11, 22, and 33 is not a factor of 33? And what number in this set is not a factor of 42? The set is 3, 6, 7, 8, and 14. State true or false in each case. 3 is a factor of 313. 9 is a factor of 99. 3 is a factor of 300. 2 is a factor of 300. 2 is a factor of 122,488. 12 is a factor of 60. 210 is a factor of 210. And 8 is a factor of 420. Question 4. What is the smallest factor and the largest factor for any number? The highest common factor. The highest common factor of 2 or more numbers is the highest number that is a factor of all the given numbers. Find the highest common factor of 8 and 24. Step 1. What's the factors of each number? So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. And the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Step 2. Underline factors that appear in both sets. So the underlying factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Those are in both sets. Pick out the highest underlying factor, the highest common factor. So the highest common factor in this set is 8. Exercise 1.6. Question 1. Find the highest common factor of each pair of numbers. 3 and 6. 24 and 16, 15 and 40, 42 and 70, 32 and 36, 26 and 36, 22 and 44, 42 and 48. Find the highest common factor of each group of numbers. 3, 9, and 15, 36, 63, and 84, 22, 33, and 121. Not including the factor provided, find 2 numbers less than 20 that have a highest common factor of 2, and highest common factor of 6. What is the highest common factor of 2 different prime numbers? Give a reason for your answer. Simeon has 2 lengths of rope. One piece is 72 meters long, and the other is 90 meters long. He wants to cut both lengths of rope into the longest pieces of equal length possible. How long should the pieces be? Miss Santos has 40 canvases and 100 sheets of paint to give to the students in her art group. What is the largest number of students she can have if she gives each student an equal number of canvases and an equal number of tubes of paint? Indira has 300 blue beads, 750 red beads, and 900 silver beads. She frets these beads to make wire bracelets. Each bracelet must have the same number and color of beads. What is the maximum number of bracelets she can make with these beads? So, that's the end of lesson 1.2. See you next time when we're learning lesson 1.3. Bye!